Assalamualaikum students, welcome in the lecture of week 2 day 5. Today our topic is about the square root and the event is exercise 1a. Today we will solve the question number 4 of exercise 1a, which is given that the prime factorization of 9801 is 3 raised to power 4 and multiplied by 11 raised to power 2. Find the square root of 9801 without using a calculator. We will find the square root of this number without using calculator. Let's start. Solution. First we write the given things, which are 9801, which equals to 3 raised to power 4 into 11 raised to power 2, which is given. First, we are taking the square root on both sides. The square root of 9801 equals to square root of 3 raised to power 4 into 11 raised to power 2. As you know that the value of square root is 1 divided by 2. When we divide the 3 raised to power 4, the power of 3, which is 4, is divided by 2, then answer will be 2, which is the power of 3. The remaining power of 3 will be 2. Same like this, when we divide the power of 11, which is 2, with 2, then the power of 11 will be 1. Here the power of 3 is 2, means 3 multiplied 2 times. When we multiply 3 2 times, the answer will be 9. And the power of 11 is 1, means 11 is multiplied only one time, which gives the answer 11. Now we will multiply 9 with 11. 9 11s are 99, which is the answer. As you can see that the square root of 9801 is 99. Now you are able to solve the questions related to this statement. Now your assignment is practice now for question number 2, which is given that the prime factorization of 7056 is 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 7 raised to power 2. Find the square root of this number without using the calculator. You can solve this question, which is the question of practice now 4, same like as you can you also solve the question of exercise 1a, which is question number 4, which is your assignment. Thank you.